the product manager of ChemAxon Markus technology and reaction enumeration tools. Today, I would like to talk to you about the latest developments of this area. Virtual chemical spaces has a major roles in many parts of the cheminformatics, including chemical patent writing and novelty check of new compounds, parallel synthesis, DNA-encoded library design, and exploration of the synthetically feasible chemical space. These chemical spaces varies in order of magnitude from dozens to trillions. ChemAxon tools can efficiently handle all of the size and help you in this process. Today, I would like to talk to you about writing chemical patents and forward reactions enumeration. Writing chemical patents is a time-consuming and tedious and error-prone process. We combined the human intelligence with the automatic solution to create a computer-aided patent drafting solution called Markus Editor. Markus Editor offers an automatic scaffold detection, R-group formulation, interactive editing of the created Markus structure, search and visualization against any structure list, including your examples or prior art compounds, and an automatic draft generation in the Word format. Markus Editor is quite unique on the market. It offers a revolutionary new way of chemical patent drafting, can save days of work for you, can help you to avoid mistakes, and you can check any structure against your patents easily this way. The result is better quality patent and retrieve coverage insight faster than you ever thought possible. We developed this tool not alone, but collaboration with our customers. We have an active and very energetic user community. We organize monthly meetings with our key customers. They share lots of positive feedback with us and also improvement suggestion. Thanks of this feedback and thanks of the improvement suggestion they shared, we were able to create significant improvements in the past year. I would like to highlight some of the major developments. In the early of this year, we changed the user interface of the application and the new example list view added. This view gives you an opportunity to upload multiple lists of examples and save together with the draft. You can also add here not only exemplify structures, but prior art compounds organized in a structured way. In the other side, you can see the validation view. This contains the details of this example list, including not only the chemical structures, but also the corresponding assay data, formulation, or identifiers that you want to see during the process. This structured list can be sorted according to any of the fields. It can be very useful to see the most active compounds, for example, and can be freely arranged. That can be beneficial in multi-monitor environment, putting it for the second screen, for example. The other improvement that I would like to mention, strongly connected to the previous one, this is the export of this additional data to the generated document. Markus Editor not only capable to generate the claim draft, but also capable to create you exemplify structure list. Previously, in this exemplify structure list, we exported an automatically generated exemplify structure number with IUPAC name and a structure image. Thanks to the recent developments, you can also add to the body any of the selected fields. For example, having a field containing the preparation information of the compounds can be added easily this way to your examples. If you have some additional information that you don't want to incorporate in the final version of the document, but can be useful as a comment during the drafting process, for example, a corporate ID, it can be also exported as a comment, as you can see in the screenshot. We have plenty of other significant developments under the hood. I just collected some of them. We have approximately 10 times speed up in the Marcus search that working behind the validation. That means better user experience and more stable validation in a case of large exemplified structure set. We also have some significant improvements regarding the scaffold detection in the case of heterocyclic and aromatic ring systems. That means larger and more significant scaffold in most of the cases. We have some new representation features, including R-group multipliers, optionally substituted fragments, and linkers representing the single bond. These newly added features make more rich the tool set that you can use to formulate your own Marcus structures. The development is still progress, and we have lots of plans for the next year. One of the most important, the improved claim hierarchy building and generalization workflow, because this is something that we identified during the usability test that not so convenient and cause some issues for our customers. We would like to add a feature to create dependent claims based on the selected examples, and in the opposite direction, extend your Marcus based on the non-matching examples. We also want to make more flexible the generalization of fragments with R groups. Other major feature that requested by our customers, a coverage analysis to help accurately cover all parts of your claims with the examples. And besides of this, we have various composer and Marcus to text improvement in the pipeline. If you're interested about more details about Marcus editor, please do not hesitate and contact us. The other area that I would like to mention and talk about, the reaction enumeration. ChemAxon has a quite powerful rule-based forward reaction enumeration engine that can simulating the real chemistry. It's called Reactor. Reactor is a quite major product of ChemAxon. It includes more than 200 predefined reaction schemas, and it has a full flexibility to create your custom reaction schemas. The structural rules enhanced by additional calculated properties, for example, electron negativity, pKa, and other calculated values, that helps to formulate more chemically feasible reaction rules. The application, as I mentioned, is quite major and widely used. It has thousands of chemists worldwide who are satisfied and give continuous feedback on it. The reactor interface, reactor has multiple interfaces currently that you can use depending on your needs. We have it in end-user application. It has a dedicated end-user application, the Reactor desktop user interface, and we also have NIME, PyPilot, Instant JChem, and JChem for excellent integration of Reactor. It is also available as a toolkit component, so you can use it from Java API, .NET API, JChem Web Services, or as a web component from Plexus Enumeration. Our recent developments focusing on replacing the old Reactor desktop UI and the web components with a unified solution. The goal of this development called library and the goal of this new application called library enumeration, to replace the current web and desktop UI components to offer a full-fledged web-based alternative of desktop Reactor and offer a simple and intuitive interface. This interface is rewritten from the scratch based on the collected user feedbacks and intensive usability research that we did in this year. It's designed to be an easily integratable and customizable cloud-ready web component and offer enhanced performance in large-scale enumeration and consecutive reactions. Here you can see the current state of the library enumeration project. This beta version is ready for the early adopters. As you can see, it visually enhanced. However, besides of the visual facelift, it also contains a lot of improvements under the hood. For example, as I mentioned, for larger size enumeration, when you want to enumerate thousands to millions of compounds, it's offer a much better performance compared to the old desktop or web-based solution. This is an ongoing development. In the following 2 quarters, we would like to release a public demo site, and we also want to do the official release of the integratable web component. Migration guide from Plexus Enumeration users will be also created together with this new release. And later we will offer, based on the component, a standalone web version of the library enumeration, and maybe a software as a service version of it. The desktop version of the reactor will be also replaced with a desktop wrapper of the web version, so it will offer a convenient solution for the current desktop users too. We plan to add additional features regarding the large-scale enumeration and constitutive reaction enumeration that coming soon in the following 2 quarters. Thank you very much. And if you're interested about the Markus editor or the library enumeration, please do not hesitate to contact me or ask questions now. Thank you very much.